Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a little Lawn Fawn haul for you. This is everything that I picked up from the brand new release in June 2021. So I'm just going to set everything off to the side and then I'll go through everything with you guys. So the first thing that I got was this little freebie from Lawn Fawn. It just says howdy, so that's nice and fun. This is from Debbie that works at Lawn Fawn headquarters, so thank you, Debbie. And the next thing I got is the little freebie that they were having. This was free with a $60 purchase. It's called Griffith Friend, and this was only available with, that purchase. It's not available any other way. And what I love about this is that you don't need any coordinating dies other than other sets that already have them. So this one fits with the lion from Wild For You. This one fits with the butterfly from Toucan Do It. And this one I think goes with Critters in the Jungle or something like that. They have it listed on the website, but it goes with one of the other sets, and I have all three of those sets, so that is awesome. I don't have to buy any extra dies. So super fun. That was kind of unexpected and cool. And then I got, well, since I mentioned it, I'll just go ahead and jump right into the Toucan Do It. I've already repackaged this one because I've used it twice already. The first card that I shared with you guys was this one here with the fun colored toucans. This one was on my channel. And then this one here, by the time this video here goes live, this will have been up as well. This one is on the Lawn Fawn channel as well as my own. So I really, really love these jaguars. I think they're so adorable, and this whole set is just super fun. So absolutely love this set, and I can't wait to use it again. I'm just super excited about it. It's one of my favorite sets to come out of Lawn Fawn in a really long time, and I love Lawn Fawn, but this one is just over the top cute to me. And there's the matching dies. I did, of course, pick those up as well. I got one of the flip-flop dies. It was the little mermaid one, and I've already used her on a card. That one will be up on Monday, so I can't share it with you yet because it is for lawn fanatics. But yeah, I had a lot of fun playing with this one as well. I love those little mermaid images that are in the Mermaid For You stamp set, so it's awesome to have another one that I can add and make fun scenes. The last stamp set that I got was the S'more the Merrier. This one was a previous release with Ellen Hudson, but I didn't pick it up at that time because I don't really like to pick up those exclusive sets. I've talked about it in the past before. Sometimes they're hard for other people to get, especially people who don't live in the United States. And, it just kind of creates some frustration if I use things and then people can't get their hands on it. So I just like to use things that are available widely. And this is now going to be widely available at Lawn Fawn and any other retailers that sell Lawn Fawn. So super excited to play with this one. I think these little guys are so cute, and I love all the little s'more accessories and the little guitar and all the fun little sentiments that you can mix and match there. Super, super cute. I'll be playing with that one real soon. To go along with that, I also got the forest backdrop. I thought this was really cool. I can't wait to do some fun inking and lots of different cool things, just layering pattern paper or cardstock, creating fun little scenes here. And then I also did pick up the Build a Campsite. I actually have a different idea for this that I want to try really soon, so stay tuned for that. I don't want to give it away just yet, but I'm hoping it's going to work. It was the first thought that came into my mind when I saw this, and I can't wait to try it out. So really fun, and I think it's going to create a lot of cute scenes. Going with the Toucan Do It stamp set, I also picked up the tropical vine borders. I just thought these would be fun to put like some of the critters on there. You could put the monkey from Critters in the Jungle. You could do some sloths, different birds, the toucans, all kinds of things. So I thought that would just be fun to create more tropical, dense scenes. And with that, I also got the Slimline Tropical Leaves border. This is super long. Let me just grab a Slimline card here really quick and see. So it's longer than an 8.5 length card, which is great because you can decide where exactly you want to position that on your card. But yeah, it just creates this really tall grasses, so you could have some critters kind of slinking along behind it or standing in front of it. I think this would be really fun to use, and you can even use it on a regular standard size card. You just have to trim that down. It would easily fit on that as well. So really fun. I love how most of this release really coordinates well together. I picked up 2 more die sets. The first one is the Happy Birthday to You. I went back and forth on whether or not to get just the one that said Happy Birthday or the Happy Birthday to You. On the Happy Birthday, it's Happy Birthday, so they're both in 3 lines. But I ended up going with this one just because I really liked the holes in the O's. I think those are always fun to put little critters inside. Also the U, you could have something kind of attached to or standing on depending on the size of the image. So I decided to go with this one. I do make a lot of birthday cards. It's the kind of card that I need the most. So I'm excited to have that. And then the last die that I got was the Simple Stripes Landscape. And I went back and forth on this one as well because they came out with 3. There was the horizontal, the landscape, and the diagonal. And I almost got the horizontal one vertical. It would be vertical. Horizontal is landscape. So it would be, this way. But I ended up going with this one. I do prefer the landscape style cards rather than the portrait. So I do a lot of both, but I slightly prefer the landscape. So I decided to go with this one. And then of course you can make it go with the stripes this way as well. I might pick up one of the other ones, especially the vertical one. At another time, but for right now this was all that the budget would allow for. I had to really restrain myself. I had way more things in my cart. I had also the little happy birthday little people in my cart and stuff, and I just couldn't get it all, so I had to pick and choose, and these were the things that I just wanted more than the others. So the last thing I got from Lawn Fawn was this Watercolor Wishes Rainbow 6x6 pad. I used that as well on both of these cards. For this one I used it as the background and the polka dot piece. For this one I only used the polka dot piece, and this was ink blended. But it's really, really fun, great for quick and easy backgrounds. You have all of these beautiful rainbow themed washes of color and the polka dots. Really, really fun. I'm really excited about this. You know me and my pattern paper, so I was so happy to see that they released a new one. Super fun. And then I did also pick up this. Lawn Fawn sells it, but I actually picked it up at Amazon. But this is the Starry Colors from the Kuretake. It's Gansai Tambi, I believe. But it's just these beautiful gold and wouldn't call that silver exactly, but it's more like a pearl watercolors. So you just add a little bit of water to the pan, and then you can pick it up and use that to do like some splatter detail. I've been wanting this for a really long time, and it was out of stock at Lawn Fawn for a really long time. I think it is back in stock now, but I actually had already picked it up at on Amazon. I was getting something else, so I just ordered this along with it. But I'm really excited to have that and play with it. I just love doing those splatter details, and I think that's going to add a whole nother dimension with that little bit of gold or pearlized sparkle. So that was my entire haul. This one was, you know, just a smaller haul. There were so many good things to choose from, but these are the things that I decided to go with for now. So let me know down in the comments if you picked up anything from this release, and also what is your favorite from the things that I picked up, and then hopefully I can use them sooner rather than later. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.